Hi, welcome to Tutorial Master YouTube channel. We are here to continue our third lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use mixed reference in formula. In our previous lesson, we already learned how to use relative and absolute reference. So now we are using mixed reference workbook. In this example, we want to calculate quarterly target for all items. For this calculation, first the target percentage value must be the same for all items in every quarter. Secondly, the total target value must be the same for all quarters in every item. So let's start the formula. First, select the cell D4, key the equal symbol, click value 99,000. This will get us C4, key dollar sign in front of C, then key multiplied symbol, click value 25% to get D3, key in dollar sign in front of 3, the formula is now equal $C4 multiply the $3. Now we have completed the formula. Press enter. The results show 24,750 for pen in quarter 1. Now we want to autofill the formula for all items in all quarters. Select D4 until G9. Hold Control key and press R, then press D. Just now the controller helped us to copy formula for right columns and Control D to copy formula for next rows. In order to view and check how the formulas extended to all rows and columns, go to Formulas ribbon, click on Show Formulas. While extending the formula, adjusted accordingly to the corresponding column and also row for total target and target percentage. This is known as a mixed reference. After check formula, click again Show Formulas, return to the result value. So in this lesson we learned a quick way of calculating the quarterly target for multiply rows and columns by using mixed reference. So this will help us to create only one master formula and can be used for all the quarter and all the items. So later any editing for the formula we just need to do in the master formula and we should be able to copy for all columns and rows quickly. Continue our learning in next lesson. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.